When we first met Ken, Stan and Michael, they were at the beginning of a 6-week health and exercise course.
I was running out of puff.
He did get exceptionally depressed. I realised it was nothing to do with me. It was Ken feeling totally frustrated in himself and not knowing how to express this.
When I go to do anything, even just going around and making the bed and things like that, I've got to stop because I'm so out of breath.
I got vascular disease in my legs and COPD, which holds me back.
At the end of the course, we came back to see if anything had changed.
Having started on this Keep Fit regime, it's given me the energy and the thoughts up here to make me think, well, there's a waste of a boat sitting there doing nothing. So I'm going to get it back, get in the water and see if there's any fish out there. The course comes to an end this week, and after that I want to keep on going because I found such benefits from it. It's easy. I've got fish crates, step-ups. Used to dive a long time ago. I've got the dive weight so that can be used in the arms. I've got a cooking timer which times me and doing things, and yeah, it's ad hoc, but it works.
He's a lot more social, he's a lot easier to live with. That is a new man compared with what he was. He's got out of his chair. I've got my husband back again, yes, who I hadn't seen for quite a long time.
I kept putting it off and putting it off. And this year I said, I'll give it a try, but I can't see me doing it, and I can't see it doing any good for me. But how wrong was I? My outlook on life is much more improved. The wife tells me that anyway. The wife says that you're a lot more amenable at home. I didn't think I was all that bad, but she said you was.
Just makes you feel better, physically and mentally. There's something to look forward to, and the course is coming to an end now Thursday, and there's another club starting now a week after we finish. So I've signed up today for that as well. So yeah, keep it going.
What do you think? Do you think you could give it a go? Why not speak to your GP and ask for a referral to an exercise class? Go on, I know you can do it. In a couple of weeks' time, someone like Jane could be talking like this about you.
I'm delighted. It's been a very good group and almost everyone has made an improvement, which is exactly what we want to see.